Okay, this is it, guys. You're about to see something huge. All of this TNT will be blown up. I just want to show you the top because this goes to the limit. This goes to the whole limit up here. I cannot go higher. Height limit for building is only 256 blocks. So, this is as high as I can go. So now, let's go back down and explode it all. All this TNT is about to be exploded. And all these animals too. Sorry, animals. It's been like 30 minutes since I've been doing this. So this is probably gonna lag a lot. I did a test and I was like not even a fourth of this and it lagged pretty good. So let's go over it a couple more times. Okay, I think we're ready. Oh, gosh. I'm actually kind of nervous to figure out what's about to happen. Oh no. I don't need this. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the jelly. No, I'm just kidding. The TNT Explosion of 2022. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's Aw, they didn't actually set it all off. Oh, there it goes. Actually, there it goes. Never mind. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. There goes more of it. Oh my gosh. This is not good. Let's try over here now. It might not explode all of it, will it? No, it won't. Wow. This is ridiculous right now. More. Let's go to the top. Didn't do that. And that's all she wrote. That was crazy. This is all the damage. Wow. Oh man. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for my pain and how long it took me to place TNT. So, for now, goodbye. Nope.